Hey there, welcome to this video. Today in this video we are going to learn a new feature enabled by GoHighLevel. Now GoHighLevel keeps releasing new and new features every week. Now you can also opt in for those beta features. Now there are two levels of this. Let me explain this to you. There are two levels of beta feature enrollments. One is agency level, where there are like D features like, for example, the AI outbound calls, and then SMS communication, the updates. There are a lot of it. So that is the higher level of beta access, and then you have some access within your sub account level. Now let me show you the sub account level access, and let's explore something new together. Now, once you log into your GoHighLevel account, go to a particular sub account where you want to enable these beta features. Once you log in, go to settings at the bottom left of your screen and scroll down and then go to lab. You'll always find this new button in the lab section. So I'm in the labs right now, and you see these are all the beta features that you can enroll into and get access to. There are a lot of them right now. Today, we are going to check one of them. So, for example, let's check the webinar one. There we go. So, we have a new feature called recurring webinar. Now, what does it say? It says recurring setting in the webinar. You can now schedule webinars to repeat automatically, daily, weekly, or monthly. This saves you time and ensure your audience always has a consistent link to join. No need to recreate each event like every time that you are launching. So how does it work? You have to go to webinars into your account, then create a webinar, then choose the format as recurring, and you can choose between daily, weekly, or monthly, or even set your own time that it is a not fixed time. We'll explore that together. Now it says that choose a frequency and go ahead and publish your webinar, and that's all. That's where we are done. Now let's try this together. So first of all, we need to go to webinars from the left. In the left side, we have sites. Go to webinars from there, and let me recreate this one. Just give me a moment. I will start fresh after this. Yeah, click on new webinar funnel, and we'll go with live webinar this time. Then click on continue. Here, let's name it as GHL Mastermind Webinar, and let's choose the time zone, then date and time. Let's say this is this time. Now here, one interesting thing is earlier it was only start time, but once you enable this recurring event, you'll find there is an end time as well. So let's call it for 2 hours. And here we can enable recurring event for like every day for 7 occurrences, as we have set it to be daily. If we make it monthly, so repeat after 1 month, which date of the month? Let's say 10th of each month, and or first Monday or first Wednesday, like that. You can set in by date or after how many occurrences, just like we do for Zoom events, right? Zoom recording events. Now, once it is done, click on next and choose a form for the webinar registration. Then you have the webinar live link. So you have to put your Zoom or any other platform that you use that particular link. Now this is going to be consistent throughout all the monthly recurrence, like reoccurrences. What you need to do is go to your Zoom account, then profile, and you'll find this permanent link. Put that link here. Then click on next, and you have to then simply choose a template. Let's say I choose this one. Now what this will do is they will fetch this entire style of 4 pages of the webinar, including my information like the form that we have selected and the webinar link that I have put. Now, how does that work? It creates 4 pages. The first one is the registration page, then the confirmation page, then the like webinar link page, and then there is a follow-up page. So let's preview this together. It is now, it has prepared the page for us. So this is the page we can see, and this is the form that we have chosen, and this is the overall design. I always recommend don't go with the design that you got provided from GoHighLevel, because let me show you something. You see, this is a black, like blank space, and like white space in the left of the text, which is looking great. If you go to the mobile version, it doesn't look that great because we have to add some spaces over here, like this. So you have to always customize something to match your own thought process or designing process. So this is a registration page. Just like that, we have got this webinar confirmation page, broadcast, and expired webinar. So that's it. You have a full-fledged webinar setup ready with the recurring event, and it will reoccur every single month. The same link. I hope that was helpful. Just like this, we will explore more options in Go High Level, how we can like opt in for beta programs, and how we can utilize the new features that they are releasing every single week. So that was it for today's video. I hope that was helpful. Thank you and have a great day ahead.